Shalom Israel, it's Melanin Wisdom here with you today with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to do a quick tutorial video on head wraps / turbans for the Hebrew Israelite women that are waking up to this truth. If you're struggling with your head wraps, I'm going to just do a quick freestyle, maybe on about 5 or 6. We'll see how it turns out. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to start off with my blue and green. It's a nice pretty royal blue. Take the tag off of that because most of these will be like a updo turban head wrap, and then closer towards the end of the video I'll do some going straight to the back of my head. It is a preference if you want hair out or if you want to put all your hair in. I just been kind of switching it up, and I'll leave 2 pieces of my hair out in the front just to give it a little more, a nice little, my own taste on it. To each his own, you can do it how you want to do it, but this, just switching it up. Always remember when you're doing your head wraps to make sure you don't do it too tight. Speaking from experience, you will have a massive headache if you tie it too tight. Got stuck. Sorry. Okay. And I'm going to add the lime green on top of it just to make it pop. Like so. And then just twist. I find that if you go dark and light together, it'll make that dark will make that light pop out more. And it'll give it a nice pretty look to it. So this is look number 1. And as always, you can get them edges if you like. I use an aloe vera gel. Nothing that's too harsh on the hair, so. Get them little baby hairs going. I'm sitting right in the sun to give it better lighting. I hope it's actually better lighting instead of too much light where it's like you can't see me. Okay, so that's look number 1. And then I just got a little pretty accessory hooked onto my hair. Okay, so next I'm gonna do the pretty fuchsia pink, and the contrast will be gold. So let's take this one down. I'm just gonna take a picture of you guys. so I can go back in. See it? All right, moving right along. I guess I could just take it on off of my head. Part of my hair, I'm in a process of taking my braids down. So half is up, half is down. That's just, you caught me on one of those days. All right, let's start with the pink. Now this is a satin hair wrap, so it's gonna give a pretty reflection off of it anyways because it's satin and it's a bright color. Again, I'm gonna leave my 2 pieces of hair down, hanging in the front. Now, one thing I've learned with using satin, our hair loves it by the way, but it tends to slip after a while of being on your hair, so normally I would have put the gold on first, but I'm gonna outline it with the gold today. Okay, so both of these materials I'm using is quite slick. So I'm just have to wrap it around so it don't start slipping as I start to twist. So there we go, we got the pink and the gold going. I'm hoping y'all can see the colors pretty good because it's almost like a reflection, I don't know, coming off that sun. I don't know if it's working for me or if it's working against me. It's kind of hard to say right now, but I guess we'll find out. So my gold is way longer than my pink. So normally when that happens, I just take the end of the pink and I wrap it like that. Just wrap it right inside to keep it going, give you a nice little look. Then just start to wrap it around. Okay, let's do the other side. And I'll fix those little fringes that's hanging. Sometimes I let the fringe show and hang, and then other times I just tuck it away depending on if I think it look right or not. So the sun went down a little bit and I'm starting to see it better with the sun down. So ooh, I hope this video is good quality. I apologize if it's not. It's not my intentions at all. Pull that gold down, so didn't really want that much pink showing like that, but it's still pretty though, so it doesn't matter. Again, keep twisting all the way to the end. Just like so. And I can feel it trying to slip a little bit. And normally, like I said, when that happens, you just get you a bobby pin and pin it in place. That's all. Put a little more gel on there. It's getting a little frizzy. So this is the pink. My little fringe is hanging, that's okay. This is the pink and gold look. Very royal, as you can see. And that is that. I actually wore this style yesterday. Got a whole lot of compliments on it, so I wanted to come back and do a video. Kind of show y'all how to match some colors together. See what it looks like. Okay, moving right along to 3. And just take that right on off. This is a fabric I actually have not used yet. And I'm thinking with this one, I'm gonna have both hanging on this side. It's pretty big. It's actually 2 yards. because I bought this to make a garment. I just haven't had the time to make it yet. So I'm gonna use it as a head wrap and let's see what it do. I don't like that white trim, so I just fold it like so. Just like that. I like this one a lot because this is just my personal opinion. It's more tribal looking to me than my other ones that I use. And I've been actually trying to find that tribal look. Fabrics is kind of hard. It's like when you do find it, they want to charge an arm and a leg for it. And it don't really be worth it. So when I do find them, I grab it most of the time. I do. I get a lot of my fabrics from Joann Fabric. I have a whole tutorial on how the Most High. I want to share my testimony with y'all about what happened when I went to Joann Fabrics. How the Most High blessed me with $600 worth of fabric, and I only paid $50 out my pocket. Yes, $50, and I got $600 worth, not fabric, but fringes. Fringes. I'm tripping. I say fabric. So that's my look number 2, and I'll just put that on that side. Be out my way. I like my updos versus going to the back more. I just do. It's a preference. It's a choice, really. So that is the third look. Tell me, guys. You guys tell me how you like it and what you think. The next one, I think I'm going to pull my hair up and show you how I look without the hair hanging. So I'm going to just take that right on off. I'll go with the green this time. So I'll just pull that back there and pull that crisscross like that. I'll use my green. I think the green is very pretty too. I've worn this one. Majority of my hair wraps I have worn. There is brand new ones that I have not even worn yet. This one I think I'll do a twist at the front. There's so many ways that you can just style your turbans, your head wrap, ladies. Be creative. Like, you don't have to look like the next sister. You can be creative. Work with what you got, you know. The Most High bless you with more. Be faithful. Be faithful to little. He'll make you ruler over much. Okay, so let's keep wrapping and wrapping. Oh, snaps. There we go. Actually, I am a very colorful girl. I love bright colors. I will wear every color in the crayon box. And my husband would be like, what do you got on with all them colors? You are not matching, but hey, the Most High, He created these beautiful colors. So how can you just stick to one color? No. I love bright colors. I don't like dark. I like bright colors, colorful stuff. Sorry, that hurt it. Got my ear. But here's, what is this? 1, 2, look number 4 with the green. I think that's very pretty. I would wear this to work. All those I would actually wear to work, to be honest, because that's just me. I would wear them. But that's the 4th look. Tell me if you guys like it. Go ahead and get your queen on, ladies. All right. I got probably 2 more to do, and that's it. It's getting close to me getting ready to have to go to work, so I got to put a move on it. And you can see the different look when I put my hair away versus letting it hang. You give it a whole nother different look. I'm keeping my hair up for this next one too. All right. This fabric right here, it's not that, it's just a yard. It's a yard long, so I just fold it in half. And it's got the pretty little feathers on it. Kind of remind me of like Indians, you know, our people. All right, so we'll pull that tight. It's not that big, so it don't give me that much room to work with. Whereas trying to be creative and let it keep on wrapping. Maybe I'll wrap it one more time and then go around like that, so that it don't come undone. And just tie it in the back. Like so. Ow. Again. Ooh, do this without your earrings on, ladies. I'm gonna accent that with the red. I was gonna twist it to give it like a spiral look, but I think I wanna fold it in half. There's that sun again, sorry. And accent it just like so. Oops. So get the bottom half. Oops. Okay, I'm struggling here today. I don't know what that's all about, but okay, just like that. Go on and tie it off. Nice and neat. And twist to give it a pretty nice, like I said, be creative, man. There's so many different ways you can style these. You literally like just getting. This is where I left off at. I know the quality is not the same, it's different. His is better. That's why I used this one. But sorry for that. I'm gonna just finish off this hair wrap so you can see, the finished look. And I think I like it in the front better. That. And that's that. Go ahead and hit them sideburns one more time, because I think this is the wrap I'm gonna go ahead and wear to work, because I gotta be there in 30 minutes and I just don't really want to wrap no more. I was gonna wrap another one, but I'm running out of time, so. There you have it, ladies. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know. And as always, thank you for watching, and shalom.